Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu at the top right. You select Settings and then Languages. This is where Edge stores display language options. Make sure you are online because Edge downloads language packs. Once in Languages, you'll add English as a new language. This prepares the browser to switch display text and menus. Proceed immediately to add the language so the core change can complete without interruption. Now you add English. Click Add Languages, type English, and choose the dialect you want. After adding, enable the option that says Display Microsoft Edge in this language so Edge knows to use it for menus. Then move English to the top of the list using the three-dot menu or drag and drop because priority controls which language displays. Make sure to accept any prompts to download the language pack. That download is what actually swaps the interface text. Finish by restarting Edge so the new language takes full effect. When you reopen, verify that menus and settings display in English. If some interface elements still show the old language, make sure Windows Display Language or regional settings aren't overriding Edge. If problems persist, re-download the English pack or remove and re-add the language. As a last resort, reset Edge settings. This usually clears stuck language metadata and resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.